Sounds like you need a wife. Yeah, get yourself a wife, that will take care of you, feed you some more good food.
I didn't tell you. I have like two wives.
Oh, you have two wives? Like for real?
Yeah, I'm planning to get like the third
Oh,
one.
yeah, do it. Can you try it? Let me hear you try to speak in a southern accent.
I'm not really good about that. I just like memorize that sentence. Hey,
The
dude,
twang.
we're gonna
Hey,
yeah.
dude.
Wait, dude, we're gonna rob some horses. What do you think? But they have a lot of a lot of horses, man.
Hello, pretty eyes.
Hello, Natalie.
Hello, Ahmed.
How are? Let's pretend that I don't know your name. What's your name?
My name is Natalie.
It's nice to meet you, Natalie.
It's nice to meet you too.
You've got such a beautiful name, Natalie.
Thank you. And you have really like hypnotizing eyes.
Wow. Thank you so
Yeah.
much.
Yeah, it's like, let me stare.
I can take off for you. Take off them for you.
Yes. Give them to me.
How are you, Natalie?
I'm doing pretty good. Just having a nice relaxing day so far.
Huh.
What about you?
I hope you will continue with that relaxing day.
I know. I need it.
Actually, I'm facing the end of the day. It
Mm.
is the last hour for me for this day. It's
Oh,
11,
really?
11 yeah, 11 p.m.
Oh, wow. Yeah,
Yeah.
it's like 3 p.m. here in Texas where I'm at.
Uh-huh, you're in.
Yes, sir.
Every time I hear like Texas, I feel like, wow, I should carry like two guns.
Right? Boom,
Hey,
boom.
Texas!
Like, yeehaw.
Day I will like speak with like a southern accent.
Uh, Let me see if I can tap into it because I don't naturally have one, but sometimes I like to mimic because some of my friends have thick Southern accents. So the best that I can do is be like, "Hi, my name is Natalie. How are you today?"
You still like feels like a New Yorker.
Right? Oh, you think I sound like a New Yorker? Because I'm from Texas, from a very small
Uh,
town. My
now
favorite
I
pie
can
is pecan
tell.
pie.
Now I can tell. Yeah, I'm from
I like,
Texas.
right? I like some peach pies. I like a pecan pie. My favorite is pumpkin pie.
You know. Do you see that village, girl? We're gonna rob some horses. Yeah, we're gonna.
Right? Let me introduce you to my horse right here. She's my favorite horse.
It's fancy.
Right? Fancy. I take my horse everywhere. I don't even need a car. Yeah, do it. Can you try it? Let me hear you try to speak in a southern accent.
I'm not really good about that. I just like memorize that sentence. Hey,
The
dude,
twang.
we're gonna
Hey,
yeah.
dude.
Wait, dude, we're gonna rob some horses. What do you think? But they have a lot of a lot of horses, man.
Wow, that's like so it's pretty close. I hear it a little bit. You're almost getting there.
Hey, one day you will hear like southern accent from me.
Yeah. So where are you from?
Yeah, I'm from Iraq.
Oh, Iraq. Okay.
Yeah.
Oh, okay. Tell me like a fun, interesting fact about your country.
About my country, most
Yeah.
of most of guys they have like a big belly.
Do they? Do you have a big belly?
Yes,
Stand up. Let
I
me see if you have a
do.
big belly. Well, that means that you guys are cozy, very cozy. You know, that means
Exactly. Yeah.
I can continue feeding all of my food, and you'll eat and appreciate my food.
You know
So
what there's a
yeah.
saying here in Iraq. There's a saying here in Iraq. Actually, to the women, if you want to
Mm.
like control your husband and reach his heart, to feed him like
Yeah.
very good.
Yeah, we have a similar saying here too, where it says, "A way to a man's heart is through his stomach."
See, so yeah,
Yeah. Yeah, I guess it's true. I guess men really love to eat, especially good food. Yeah.
maybe because they like they work hard. So at the end of the
Yeah.
day, they need like a good meal with like
Yeah.
with a romantic like candle. Oh my gosh, it will be great.
It would be great. Next time we should like set up like a dinner and I'll have candles here and it'd be like, "Oh, how's it going? How's your food going, Ahmed?"
Please don't forget to play my favorite song. Please.
Okay, I will. You just gotta like type it down. I'll have the music playing in the background for you. Probably some desert music.
Wow. Okay, I like Michael Bolton. Yeah, he's my favorite. To
Okay.
be honest.
Oh,
Okay.
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 Okay. That's cool.
Yeah.
So do you
So
mind if I
yeah.
ask you how old you are?
How old do you think I am?
I really don't know. You look like you
Yeah,
are a
guess,
man
guess.
okay, you look like you are a man in your prime, so it's a good thing.
Yeah.
So I am going to guess a nice 35.
Who told you that?
I don't know, but it just looks like a good 35 to me. I'm 33, so
Yeah, you're right, but I'm 30,
shut up. I'm right.
36. I'm 36.
Yes. Okay, I promise you I did not know. And I'm usually not good at guessing, but like I
But
said,
you
you
were
look like
good.
yeah, you just look like a real man, a man in his prime, like a good age.
Even I don't like eat healthy food or take care of my body. It's all about like working and like eat junk food. God has like a plan for me.
Yeah, sounds like you need a wife. Yeah, get yourself a wife, that will take care of you, feed you some more good food.
I didn't
and play
tell. I
and play Michael Bolton in the background with candlelight dinners and be like, "Hey babe, this is all for you."
right. Well, I didn't tell her. I have like two wives.
Oh, you have two wives? Like for real?
Yeah, I'm planning to get like the third
Oh,
one.
all right, polygamy. That's where it's at now. If one wife gets tired of you, they'll be like, go to your other wife. I don't go to your other wife.
I want to be like kings. You know the kings.
Feel like kings.
Yeah. This is my wife on the right place, and the left side. I have another wife,
hmm
and the third
You
wife like just like fanning of me,
right
fanning on me.
on you. Yeah, and then like the other one like giving you grapes for you to eat off of. Be like grapes.
I saw that movie before.
Yeah.
Yeah, I saw
Yeah.
that movie.